Are we ready?
Yeah,
Oh, we're rolling. Oh, well, why didn't you tell me?
I guess. You're good.
Okay, for today's challenge, we are making crispy chicken tenders, and I think like every kid loves chicken fingers, and myself included. And so this is a nice healthy way to satisfy that without all of the added carbs and fat. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have 3 small dishes for coating our chicken. And so I'm going to crack 1 egg. And then I have some chicken tenderloins, and I got the ones that are kind of pre-cut from the supermarket. You can just get regular chicken and cut it up yourself if you want to save a little money. And then in our first dish, or in our first bowl here, I just got some whole wheat flour, and I'm going to put that in there. Stir up our egg a little bit. Ready? And then in our final dish, we're going to take some whole wheat breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of dried dill, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and then 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, and then finally a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. I'm just going to mix all of those together in this bowl. And we're kind of ready to start assembling our chicken fingers. We have our oven preset to 425 degrees. And then what I'm going to do is take a cookie sheet, and I'm going to spray that with Nonstick cooking spray. And then you're going to take each piece of chicken. You're going to first dip it in their whole wheat flour. Just kind of shake off any excess here. Go in your egg mixture. Again, shake off any excess in there. And then finally, put it in your crumb and Parmesan mixture. And then you're just going to lay it right onto your cookie sheet. And repeat with all of your chicken tenders. Get them all nice and coated. And this breadcrumb mixture was nice because it gets that nice crunch that you crave in a chicken tender without, like I said, all the carbs. You get a nice whole wheat mixture, and then the cheese gives it the extra, little extra flavor. Last one. Okay. You can see those are ready to go in the oven. Okay, so my oven is preheated to 425. I'm going to put my chicken tenders in. I'm going to leave those in there for about 20 minutes or until they're nice and crispy and brown. It's been about 20 minutes with our chicken tenders, and so I'm going to take these out of the oven here. You can see they're nice and cooked, nice and crispy. And I'm just going to serve these up. Kids will love them.